Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cute, easy ponytail, so let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to start off by making a regular ponytail. Now you're going to take two sections from underneath the ponytail, you're going to join them together, and then you're going to secure them with an elastic. You're going to flip the ponytail through the little gap, and then you're going to want to fluff up the edges of the twist. Again, you're going to take two sections from behind the ponytail, and then you're going to secure them together to make another loose ponytail. Flip the hair up and through to create another topsy tail and fluff up the edges. You're going to continue grabbing sections of hair, joining them together, and then making topsy tails all the way down the length of your hair. And then you're all done. Here's the finished look. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up, as that really helps out my channel. Also, all my social channels will be linked below, as well as some of my favorite products, so go ahead and check them out. And until next time, bye!